Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to remove friends from Candy Crush Saga. To remove friends from Candy Crush Saga or to delete a friend from Candy Crush Saga, first of all, open the Candy Crush Saga application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account, whether it is via Facebook, Apple ID, or with your King account. After you are logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top of the screen. Now, from the profile section, click on Friends. You will then be able to see the list of friends that you've added on Candy Crush Saga. To delete or remove a friend, tap on their profile picture or their name and then click on Unfriend at the bottom of the screen. Confirm that you'd like to remove or unfriend the person. Tap on Yes if you'd like to unfriend the person, and then you will then be able to delete a friend in Candy Crush Saga. So that is how you will be able to delete or remove a friend from your Candy Crush Saga friends list. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.